Our proprietary Iflow platform allows you to document your business plan and track your results online with a comprehensive and customized dashboard that's available to you 24/7. The Iflow platform saves you time and energy by making your business planning process and ongoing results tracking digital. It summarizes your strategies and your goals and your numbers all in one place. It also stores your transactional data and tracks your results against your goals. Let me show you how it works. Once you create your Iflow account and are fully on board, you will have access to your workspace. As you'll notice, each section of our platform coincides with the various chapters from our online course. On this first page, we outline the 6 reasons why business planning is so important, as well as the 8 easy steps on how to use the platform. When you're ready to get started, just click on this button to move forward with drafting your business plan. On this second page, you will document how many qualified contacts you have in your database, as well as your previous year numbers for both your source of business as well as your key metrics around volume, units, and gross commission income. Once you enter that information, you'll see a graphic representation of your sources of business as well as your conversion rate. At the bottom of the page, click here to move on to the golden circle. On this next page, you will have the opportunity to watch Simon Sinek's TED Talk again if you would like. As you scroll, notice we have a few different examples of the golden circle for you, including Apple, Flow Business Solutions, and an example for Realtor. Additionally, we provide you space so you can document your why, your how, and your what. When you're done and ready to move on, just click on this button to go to the SWOT analysis. Here you can review the definition of a SWOT analysis and other information we discussed in the chapter. Here is your example of a SWOT analysis for a realtor. And then you also have space where you can document your strengths and your weaknesses, as well as your opportunities and your threats. When you're done, you can click here to move forward to your financial forecast. On this page, you can review your key metrics from last year, as well as estimate your personal and business expenses for next year. Now we are ready to move on to the income and production goals. Again, you'll be able to review your key metrics from last year that you entered on a previous page. And then also as you scroll down, you'll have the opportunity to project your 2022 goals here. We also give you an opportunity to enter your transaction fees for both FMLS as well as your broker. And these 2 pieces of data will be used in your final calculation on your summary page on your dashboard. When you're ready, you can now move on to your source of business goals. Based on the information that you previously entered, we can estimate the additional contacts that you will need in your database to meet your business goals. It is very important for you to stay in flow with your network throughout the year and commit to both weekly as well as monthly metrics. You'll be reminded as to where your business came from in 2021 and project where you want to focus your energy in 2022. When you're ready, you can click here to move on to the rest of your business goals. Next is business goal setting. Here are 6 reasons why goal setting is important, and we also remind you of your key metrics. This will help guide you as you draft your wildly important goals. We have one example here for you to review, and then space where you can develop your own wildly important goals, as well as your strategies to achieve those goals. When you're ready, you can click here to move on to your summary. And finally, this is your customized personal dashboard where you can view your entire business plan. And this is where the magic happens with all of your calculations. Here you can take a look at your golden circle. And by clicking here, you can refresh your memory of your SWOT analysis. Here you have all of your numbers at a glance based on your calculations and the data that you've entered for your transactions. Here's where you can track all of your transactions, and this information is entered into the system and is used as part of your calculations. You can also enter a new expense. Here's where you can review your key metrics, your year-to-date numbers versus your goal in terms of your volume, your units, as well as your GCI. Going over here to the right and scrolling up, as I mentioned, this is where you can edit any of your information or update your numbers anytime throughout the year. Also, here are your numbers that are required to meet your monthly goals so you can stay focused, as well as the upcoming closings in your pipeline over the next 30 days. You can also focus on your top sources of business, as well as your key business objectives to stay in flow with your network. And lastly, you can review your wildly important goals and the winning strategies to achieve those goals. As you can see, our Iflow platform makes it easy for you to manage your business plan and track your results. It is accessible 24/7, so you can manage your business when you need to. The annual cost to use the platform is $300 per year per individual agent, which is only $25 per month. We welcome the opportunity to help you, and we will share a link in the next lesson so you can get started right away.